In this video, we will be discussing how to restore deleted data from your Airtable base. So if you go to our base history up here at the top, you'll see this trash icon. In this trash bin, you will see that you can, anything that is a deleted record, extension, field, view, or table will be accessible here for within 7 days of its deletion time. So if you deleted it within the past 7 days, you can restore it from this view. So if we go ahead and just delete a few things here, just so we can test it out, we can delete a view, delete a record, delete a field. We can also delete extensions and tables, like I mentioned. As I said, they will show up here for you to restore at any time. So within that 7-day period, you can restore this back into your table, and it will be replaced as if it had never disappeared in the first place. So whether or not you are actually able to do these deletions or see the trash at all is going to depend on what level permission you have on this base. So if you have editor or edit only or creator level permissions, you will be able to see this trash can. If you have edit only or creator level permissions, you will also be able to restore any deleted records or views. When it comes to deleted tables or fields, only creator level users will be able to restore those, and only creator level users will be able to empty the trash can. So you can empty this trash can by clicking this empty trash button at the top, but only creators can do that. And read-only users will have no access to this trash bin at all. They won't even see this button. So that is how we restore deleted data in Airtable. Stay tuned for the next video.